This JMP demonstration shows how to make two different types of geographic maps. The first is a heat map with geographic regions colored according to the values of some variable of interest. For that, we're using the SAT by year data from JMP sample data folder, and we'll create a map of US states colored by their mean SAT verbal test scores. Start by going to Graph, Graph Builder. Place State in the Map Shape drop zone. JMP consults its built-in map shape files to construct a map of the United States. Note that the JMP documentation describes how to add custom map shapes to Graph Builder if you need. To color the map, drag another variable to the Color drop zone. For example, using the categorical variable region colors each state by geographic region. Using the continuous variable SAT verbal colors each state by its mean SAT verbal score. Additional variables can be incorporated using Graph Builder's other drop zones. For example, placing year in the Wrap drop zone creates a trellis plot of maps, with one for each year. Now let's make the other type of geographic map, a dot or point map, with one dot per row of the data table, placed on the map using its latitude and longitude values. For this, we're using the NYC 311 record data from JMP sample data folder, and we'll create a map of calls to New York City's 311 government hotline. Start by going to Graph, Graph Builder. Place longitude on the x-axis and latitude on the y-axis. Then deselect the smoother icon in the palette at the top of the window. JMP creates a scatter plot of call locations, and you can underlay a geographic map by right-clicking inside the graph and going to Graph, Background Map. Here we'll select the Street Map Service option and use the default Mapbox Lite street URL. Clicking OK underlays a map of New York City with each call placed at its geographic location. Similar to the heat map, you can color the points in this map using another variable. Here we'll color the points by borough to distinguish calls coming from the 5 different boroughs of New York City.